3-day notice to quit. See CP Section 1161, 4,2, Luis Anaya 2. Notice is hereby given that your tenancy at the above described premises is terminated because you have maintained, committed, and/or permitted the maintenance or commission of a nuisance or waste on the property. Specifically, you have engaged in the following conduct. 1. Tenant is interfering with other residents' right to quiet enjoyment of property. He plays radio too loud and 24/7. Tenant has purposely directed his radio towards his 58-year-old mother. He has been asked to turn it down during the day and off at night, and when he is not home. You have committed acts that threaten the health and safety of other tenants or the general public. Within 3 days after service on you of this notice, you are hereby required to quit the subject premises, move out, and deliver up possession to the owner and/or their authorized agent. State law permits former tenants to reclaim abandoned personal property left at the former address of the tenant, subject to certain conditions. You may or may not be able to reclaim property without incurring additional costs, depending on the cost of storing the property and the length of time before it is reclaimed. In general, these costs will be lower the sooner you contact your former landlord after being notified that the property belonging to you was left behind after you moved out. Please take further notice that if you fail to vacate the premises within the time period prescribed in this notice, the landlord will institute legal proceedings for an unlawful detainer against you to recover possession of the premises plus court costs and attorney fees to the extent allowed by law, in addition to actual damages including rent that is due, provided for by California law. Your landlord elects to declare a forfeiture of the lease. Signed, Landlord Address, 1255, Orchid Road, B36, San Luis Obispo, CA 93401, 4995. Tina Quaye, date, February 16, 2023.